Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Leonardo Triganaksuma, and today we are going to explore a fascinating topic, the stats of language acquisition. Now, I will be discussing about language acquisition. Language acquisition is a fascinating and intricate process that unfolds in distinct stages, shaping the linguistic skill of children. Rooted in the pioneering work of Stern in 1924, the Stats of Language Development provide a comprehensive framework for understanding how individuals acquire their first language, delve into Stern delineation of the text, exploring the gradual evolution of language skill from unintelligible imitation to the mastery of complex syntax. By unraveling the intricacies of language acquisition, we gain valuable insight that extend beyond theoretical consideration, offering practical implications for those engaged in teaching language to infant of first language acquire. Let us embark on a journey through the stages outlined by Stern, shedding light on the remarkable journey of language development in the early years of a child's life. So in the 1924, Stern outlined a series of developmental stages in language acquisition. His theory not only shed light on the process of acquiring one's first language, but also elucidated various considerations for those involved in teaching language to infants or first language acquirers. Stern framework encompasses 5 fundamental indicator in language acquisition. The initial stage occurring within the first years is referred to as the preliminary stage, 0 to 1 years. The subsequent period include the first period, 1 to 1.6 years. The second period, 1.6 to 2 years. The third period, 2 to 2.6 years, and the ongoing fourth period starting from 2.6 years. Stern's theory provides a comprehensive understanding of the progression of language development during this distinct stages. So, I will discuss the stages of language acquisition as described by Stern. The first, preliminary stage, 0 to 1 years. In the initial phase spanning the first years of life, the infant engages in imitating sounds, babbling, and developing a basic understanding. Initially, these behaviors operate independently but gradually converge, signifying the commencement of genuine language acquisition. And the second is first period, 1 to 1.6 years. During the initial period, the child grasps a limited set of sounds with distinct meanings, enabling the expression of complete thought in a sentence. Nevertheless, there is no indication that the child comprehends grammar at this stage. Second period, 1.6 to 2 years. In the subsequent phase, the child recognizes the existence of name for everything, leading to a notable surge in vocabulary acquisition. The child initiates questioning regarding object name, and multi-word expression emerge initially with hesitation and later with increased fluency. And the third period is 2 to 2.6 years. In the third stage, sentence become well-structured, incorporating words that convey major grammatical relationships such as subjects and objects. The acquisition of inflection begin, and syntax involve the flexible arrangement of words, allowing variation in word order. The scope of inquiries expand during this developmental phase, and the fourth period, 2.6 and onwards, advancing into the fourth stage, the basic juxtaposition of word in syntax give way to a hierarchical structure and the acquisition of embed or subordinate sentence. The child inquires now encompass aspects related to time and causality, Some grammatical morphem are still in the process of being acquired during this period. From the text arise the principle proposed by Stern to explain the relationship between vocabulary acquisition and the desire to seek. The namely is the principle of linguistic science. It refers to the awareness that phonetic events can be conventionally paired with concepts. This is an understanding that every object has a name, and sounds can be associated conventionally with specific meanings. Language acquisition involves several steps, starting from the preliminary stage of babbling and rudimentary understanding to the development of well-formed sentence and complex syntax. And the principle of linguistic sign play a crucial role in the child realization that words have meaning. And then that's all about the steps in language acquisition from me. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.